This video will demonstrate how to add a toggle to your object. Bring in whatever object you're looking to toggle first. I am using a sword that I found for free online, and import it into your project. Expand your avatar in the hierarchy, and find the most suitable bone to place this object on. For a sword, I will want to have it held in the right hand, so I will expand this until I find the right wrist. By attaching it to this bone, it will move with my hand as though being held. Click and drag your object onto the selected bone. If you don't see it, it may be at a different scale than the rest of your avatar, too small or too large. Try adjusting the scale to see if it appears. In this case, the sword is much larger than my avatar, so I need to scale it down considerably. Once you've found a scale that works for the avatar, move it around until it gets to a position that you are happy with. Alternatively, if you'd rather keep things more organized, you can use a different method than attaching it straight to the bone. Right-click on your avatar, create empty, and name the new object whatever will keep it the most organized. I like to go with equipment. Instead of placing the toggled object on the bone, you can move it to the new object that you created. Then click Add Component. Search for the parent constraint, and click the plus button under Sources. Whatever bone you would place the object under, use that as the source. After moving the object into a position that you're comfortable with, click Activate. This will lock the object into place with the offsets that you have set up. Once you've got your placement completely figured out, click on the sword, or whatever toggle it is, and deactivate it. This will ensure that the object is off by default. Now for the animation. Go to wherever you keep your animations, right-click, Create, Animation. We'll name this one Sword. Click and drag this new animation onto your avatar in the hierarchy. Click the avatar in the hierarchy, Window, Animation, Animation. In the new window that appears, go to the drop-down and select the animation that you just created. Click Record, go to the toggle, and reactivate it. Then deactivate Record and deactivate Preview. Go back to your Project tab. Click on your avatar in the hierarchy, scroll down until you see the FX animator, and click it. This will bring it up in the File Explorer at the bottom. Double-click the animator, go to Parameters, Add, Boolean. We'll name this Sword as well. Go to Layers, and create a new one. This will also be named Sword, but it can be whatever name you want. This one doesn't pertain to how the computer reads it. Click the gear icon, and set Weight to 1. Otherwise, the computer will ignore this animation layer. Click on the new layer that you've created, then go to the grid, right-click, Create State, Empty. We'll name this one Off. Create another new state, named On. In this state, add the animation here to the right of the Motion field that pertains to the animation you made earlier. Now, right-click on the On state and make a transition to Off. Do the same for Off to On. Click the white arrow from Off to On, click Conditions, Sword equals True. For the transition from On to Off, add the condition that Sword equals False. This will swap between the two states as you control it in the menu. Final stretch. Click on your avatar in the hierarchy once again. Scroll down to find the Parameters. Click it in the inspector to bring it up in the File Explorer, then click the one in the File Explorer to bring it up in the inspector. Add a new parameter, make it a Boolean, and name it the same as what you named it in the animator. Now go to the avatar in the hierarchy again, scroll down, find the main menu, Click that and add control. We'll name this sword and change its type to toggle. Set the parameter to the parameter that you just put in the parameter list. This should be all you need. Open the VRChat SDK, show control panel, and click Build and Test, or Build and Publish for Windows or Android. Once the test avatar has finished compiling, boot up VRChat and load in your test avatar. Bring up your expression wheel, click the button, and there you have it. Enjoy. As an addendum, I am open to avatar feature commissions as well as one-on-one tutoring for adding features like these and many more. I've also just created a Discord channel for avatar help and for receiving the aforementioned commissions and tutoring. Link is in the description of this video.